Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and confirming your Series X has the latest update. This avoids missing features. Once done, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Move to Home and pick a tile you want to change. Press the View button to open customization options, because that menu gives you pin, unpin, move, and edit shortcuts. Make sure to keep your controller steady and choose one tile to modify first so you don't get overwhelmed. Now you rearrange and personalize. Select a tile, choose Move, then use the thumbstick to place it where it best fits your workflow. Once placed, pin your favorite games or apps to reduce launch time. This saves you steps every session. Then enter Manage to create or rename groups, call one party or quick play, so content is organized. While doing this, consider balance between utility and aesthetics. Make sure frequently used items are within the first 2 rows. To finish, fine-tune visuals by going to Settings, Personalization, then adjust background and accent color so your home feels personal and readable. Once done, review each group and test quick launch expectations to confirm everything works as intended. If tiles act up, reset the layout or perform a full power cycle. Hold the console power 10 seconds, because clearing cache often resolves display glitches. If problems persist, make sure your profile is synced and retry. That usually fixes stubborn tile or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.